morning.
everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Aditya Nanavre. I am in standard 5th and I am 11 years old. I belong to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj State, that is Maharashtra, Pune, Maharashtra, India. My hobbies are drawing, cycling, skating, playing cricket, and football. I have also scored second place in mono acting in my school. I have completed two courses from India First Robotics, that is game developer and app developer. I have made an app and its name is Home Alone. It is a one-stop application. Platform used for this app is App Inventor, and to make this app I have used lots of websites like YouTube BBC News, Urban Clap, Agio.com, and some home service and shopping sites as well. I also uploaded some images for background and worked on arrangements of buttons, its colors, its text color, and its fonts. My app is useful for those people who live at their home alone. Like one day I was sitting at home due to lockdown. In lockdown due to pandemic, and I got thought, what happened to those people who live at their home alone? How are they gonna handle this situation? So I made this app, and appropriate users for my app are senior citizens, new moms, kids, and bachelors. And on my app's homepage, accordingly, these four buttons will appear. My app is useful for new moms because when a baby is cranky or crying frequently, then and the mom doesn't know how to handle the situation, then she can click on the new mom tab, and I have provided their remedies for babies, and she can take reference of that. Or if a baby is vomiting or having some stomach ache, then she can take reference of my home remedies videos that I have provided in my application. Senior citizens can use this app like for if a senior citizen is living at his or her home alone, and if there is an emergency, then I have provided some emergency numbers where they can book a emergency service according to their emergency. And there are some home services also. So if a senior citizen wants to book a barber or a beautician, they can easily book it. Kids can also use this tab, like if if a kid's parents are both working, and if a kid is living alone at home every day for a particular time, then in his free time, kids commonly play video games, and they play it for lots of time, like 3 hours. So I got thought, in kids tab I have so many kids like games. So instead of playing video games, I have provided a button called DIY games. So there, if they click on that button, uh, it will lead to a video, like they can make their own games from cardboard or any other material, and they can play it with their friends or outdoor. And so because of it, it will not harm their eyes also, and they can keep themselves occupied. Bachelors can also use this tab, like if a person is staying away from his family due to education or his or her job, then if there is an emergency, I have provided emergency numbers in all four tabs commonly. And there is a home service tab also. So if a bachelor wants to sanitize his home, he can easily book a service. And there are, I have provided what we say, some quick recipes also. So if a bachelor is hungry, he can learn some quick recipes as well as order some food also. Now let's view my app. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, Aditya.
Now I will stop sharing this this
PPT.
PPT,
Okay.
and I will
Okay.
join from my mobile. So can
Okay.
you admit the permission? Okay.
Aditya, there is some echo, so you need to reduce the volume. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you give me the permission of screen sharing?
Yes. I think you already have the permission.
For a mobile, sir.
Have you connected the mobile?
Yes, sir.
But there is no name of yours over here. Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can share.
Yes.
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. Now you can share.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sharing
Yeah.
screen. So is it visible my screen?
Yes.
Now this is my app's homepage. So as you can see, I have uploaded a homes means a house picture for house image for background. So
Aditya,
it is
sorry for
from
interruption. There is some echo effect in the background. Can you just reduce the sound of some device?
okay.
Okay.
Now is it good?
Yes, there is still some echo.
Sir, actually I am muted from mobile only.
Okay. Okay. So yes, you can continue by sharing your screen and okay.
Okay.
And you can talk with a low voice so that there won't be any echo. Uh,
Okay, sir.
yeah.
So as you can see, this is my app's homepage, and I have uploaded an image of house for background. So it is from a famous movie called Home Alone. So I got inspired from that movie and made this app. And I have also kept the name of my app Home Alone. Now let's see senior citizens tab. So here there are lots of options. Now I will show you the most important one, that is medicines. So if we click on that button medicines, it will take the senior citizen to this website where they can order some medicines and other healthcare products. And there are some songs also. So if a senior citizen wants to hear his or her old song, then he can she can hear from here. Listen from here. And there is a e-news option also. So here the senior citizen can also read and listen or watch also here. Then there is a audiobook option, means library, where they can just hear those books. Now this was my senior citizens tab. Let's see the new moms tab. So here in new moms, as you can see, there are also lots of buttons. Now I will show you the most important one, that is remedies for babies. So here, if a baby is having stomach ache, then the new mom will click on stomach ache button, and here there is a video on home remedy of stomach ache. So the new mom will take a reference from this video and calm her baby. So this means if we just on just a one click, the video will play. We don't have to even search for it. Now let's see shopping tab. So here the new mom can shop some toys or some clothes for her baby. Now if she clicked on Amazon, it will take to this site, and here we have to just sign in and she can shop. And the other buttons will also work like this. And this was my new mom's tab. Now let's go through kids tab. In kids tab here, I will show you the study option. So if kid means this is the study option, that it will lead to a video like some self-study tips for doing study. And there is some fun games option also. As I told in your PPT, I have added this. So here it will lead to a video like some fun games that kids can make from cardboard, as you can see here. Then there is a dance option as well. So if a kid is interested in dance, he can take reference of this video. And I have added emergency numbers. So if a kid is in emergency and he wants to call police, then he can just click on this police option and the number will be already typed. We have to just click on the green button. And I live in India, so I have typed in the means I have in code I have typed Indian police number. So this was my kids tab. Now let's go to bachelor's tab. Sir, is there a lag of screen share?
No, not at all, Aditya.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So this is my bachelor's tab. Now, if a bachelor is hungry, and then he or she should click on the quick recipes. So here the bachelor can learn and make some food for him, or he can also order it. There is a library option as well. So here the bachelor can read any books. As you can see, here is the read button. And there is a home service option as well. So here if a bachelor clicked on Urban Clap, then the bachelor can easily book a barber or a beautician, and he can also paint his house. As you can see here, it is a option of painting. So the other buttons will also work like Urban Clap. And this was my bachelor's tab. And there is one more important button I want to show you, that it is medicines. So I have added this common tab in all the all the tabs except kids tab. So that was my bachelor's tab. So sir, any questions? And thank you Global Innovation Field Trip for giving me chance to present my application on such a big platform. I must say this is my precious gift of this year.
Thank you so much, Aditya. Thank you so much, Aditya.
Yes, sir.
That was a very nice presentation. So, ma'am, do you have any question for Aditya?
Yeah, I think this app, I just wonder how many users you get now. Is there someone already using your app?
No. Actually, I am gonna publish it on the Google Play Store, and after that, I am hoping that I will get some users.
So we can already download that from Google App Store.
What's ma'am?
Once you publish the app on the Google Store, can ma'am use that? Can download the app and use?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, that's very nice. And do you have any plans to improve your app? Just like you already have for kids and for bachelors and moms. Now I'm a mom. Yeah, I think that is very useful. And so do you have any plans to do some improvement to that, adding some more people, for example, like older people, things like that?
Yes, ma'am, I'm working on that. I'm gonna keep
forward to that.
Upgrading it.
Okay.
That's very good.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
So I think
is there any button that you want to see? or a tab.
Yeah.
Aditya is asking whether you want to see any functionality of a button or a tab.
Then you mean which tab? Because I can only see that the senior citizens, new
Means
moms,
in
and
new moms there are some options. So which option means do you want to see, or like anything?
yeah. I would love to see bedtime songs because it's
Bedtime
really
songs.
painful to make babies sleep.
Okay.
Okay, so if I click on bedtime songs, it will take me to this. It will be already searched, as you can see on the search button here.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah, that is great.
So
I
Aditya,
must
your
go
app.
to see that.
So Aditya, your app looks like a junction of all the necessary things that a ordinary
Yes.
human being requires. Okay. So
The
that's
main idea of this app is that the user should get all of his need in just a one click.
okay. So that was the motto of your app. Okay. Very nice job, Aditya. So
Yes, sir.
Thank
yeah.
you.
So
And ma'am,
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. I found
thank
it very
you.
useful to me.